Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are using ElevenLabs free version and you are getting this type of error that says unusual activity detected, don't worry, it is usually happens due to some of the reasons and some of the things that you do wrong. So here in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix this error easily. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you will have to open your web browser and you need to come on 11labs.io and then basically log in into your account. Now once this step is done, you need to simply tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen of your web browser and then click on the extensions option. Over here you need to click on the manage extensions option, and here you need to see if you are using any VPN or any proxy extensions, because ElevenLabs often flag those even if you are not using in the ElevenLabs. If you have installed the VPN or the proxy extensions, I would highly recommend you to remove them from here. Next, you need to log out from all of the devices and clear your browser cookies. So ElevenLabs actually doesn't allow you to use the same account on multiple devices. So if you are doing that, you need to simply log your account out of all those devices. Afterwards, you need to come into the main web browser, then click on the three dots in the top right hand corner, go to the settings of your device, and here you need to use the search bar and search for cache. Once you search for cache, you need to basically delete your history from here and you need to delete all of the cache file from here. So this was the step 2. Then you need to log in again into your regular connection, and if you are using too many voice generations too fast, you need to just slow down as well, and that can also trigger this same error. Also, make sure that your payment method and the location match to avoid any verification issues. So by keeping these things in mind, you can definitely fix this issue. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.